Alright, Dad, so you remember when you asked me, or you told me that there should be a claw attachment for things stuck down in the drain? Well, here it is, okay? So let me show you how this works. Let me show you what. So what we're dealing with is cast iron drain, and there's a cutter head. The plumber had left a cutter head in there. And unfortunately, I can't get past it, so I got to remove it. Now, if I use a magnet, cast iron pipe, full of cast iron scale, the magnet sticks to everything. As soon as you put it an inch down in the pipe, it sticks. So there you go. Okay? So that's what we're going to be using right there. Okay? So I'm going to try to use it. We'll see how successful I am. Sometimes it's a bit of a crapshoot on if will it work or will it not. So okay, let me show you what I am dealing with. So first off, you can't tell, but this is where the toilet, so when they flush the toilet, the water comes out right here. This was just built up with scale. And I got a feeling that's why the cutter head was in there. So okay, so we gotta be a little bit gentle. Alright. So that's your cutter head right there. That's what I'm going to try to get at. Okay. So next thing is, so I'm going to get this. Hold on one second. We got to hit pause. Alright. So let's go ahead and then get this down the drain. Okay, so there it is right there. Just give me another quick second. Okay. So I want to push that in the drain. I don't want to slam anything. The camera's a little bit different. Sometimes going a little bit fast is better for the camera than just going in slow. But alright. So we're pushing it. Okay, so get that opened up. I can see it is. So let me go ahead and try to grab it. And I'll pull it back. And I've just seen where it's better to go ahead and pull it back slowly. I'm sorry, in stages. Like right now it's getting caught. And I want to see why it's getting caught. I want to make sure I didn't lose it. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm trying to manipulate two things at once. This is the hard part right here. This is the hardest part. Because I'm in this fitting right here, and that creates a catch point. That little ledge right there. Okay. Now for this one, this is not my cutter head, but if it was my cutter head, I'm sure you could see how useful this would be. You know, it just gives me a lot more flexibility to have this option. Because I'm not quite as scared to send something down the drain or try something, because I knock on wood, but I'm fairly confident I could get it back. Okay, so at this point, give me 1 second here. And there you go. Okay. Oh, almost lost it again. So it's been down in there for a while. But anyway, it's out now. And it's mine. All mine, my precious. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video, Dad. Alright.